What is this called? Funnel. What is this called? Chopsticks. What is this called? Tongs. What is this called? Matchbox. What is this called? Broom. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Knife sharpener. What is this called? Scale. What is this called? Sink. What is this called? Trivet. What is this called? Cling film. What is this called?
Is called. Strainer. What is this called? Wok. What is this called? Potato masher. What is this called? Griddle is called.
This. Bed. What is this? Mattress. What is this? Nightstand. What is this? Pillow. What is this? Lamp.
What is this called?
Galaxy.
What is this called?
Space station.
What is this called?
Space shuttle.
What is this called?
Telescope.
What is this called?
Alien.
What is this called?
Shooting star.
What is this called?
Asteroid.